All right, 6:36 now. Let's talk COVID-19. As of this morning, the Omicron variant, or Omicron variant, has been reported in around 25 states. Indiana is not one of them, though that could change, of course. There are so many unknowns at this point, but doctors do think it's similar to strains we've seen before. So our Verify team got some answers about symptoms.
As doctors study this new variant, we're looking into the symptoms people get when they're infected. So the question, are the symptoms of the Omicron variant similar to other strains of COVID-19? Let's verify. We spoke with 3 doctors for this question. Dr. David Priest, infectious disease doctor at Novant Health, Dr. Katie Passaretti, chief epidemiologist at Atrium Health, and family physician Dr. Carla Robinson. According to the CDC, on November 24th, the World Health Organization reported the new Omicron variant. It was first discovered in South Africa, and the first case in the U.S. was confirmed on December 1st. Dr. Priest says while it is a new variant, it's still a strain of COVID-19, which is a respiratory illness. Symptoms for COVID-19 include fever, chills, cough, shortness of breath, fatigue, headache, just to name a few.
There will be similar symptomatology, meaning fever and aches and headache and all the things we know with COVID, shortness of breath.
Both Dr. Robinson and Dr. Passaretti agree.
We're seeing very similar presentations in terms of the same upper respiratory type infection.
I suspect it will be very similar to what we see with every respiratory virus.
However, all 3 doctors tell us what is still not known is how bad these symptoms can get.
The most important question is the severity of illness with Omicron and whether that differs in the past.
I think the question will be, how severe will it typically be? And those are the things we're going to have to get answered in the next couple of weeks.
So we can verify that, yes, the symptoms of the Omicron variant are similar to other strains of COVID-19. However, the severity of those symptoms is still unknown. With your Verify, I'm Megan Bragg.
Because of rising COVID cases, at least 5 colleges are putting more COVID precautions in place. That's including Notre Dame. Students will be required to have a booster shot by mid-spring semester. In New York, Syracuse students will have to get their shots before the start of the spring semester. Northeastern Smith College and the University of Massachusetts at Amherst are also putting COVID-19 restrictions and mandates into place.